premises liability cases. What are they? What do they mean? What they are is if you walk into a business somewhere, for example, and they have something on the floor that shouldn't be there, something spilled, water, I don't know, shampoo, whatever it is. You step on it, you slip, you fall, you hurt yourself. That's called a premises liability case. A lot of lawyers out there won't even handle premises liability cases or don't even know how to handle premises liability because generally they're a little more trickier and complex than your run-of-the-mill car accident case. And a lot of people out there think that just because you fall somewhere and hurt yourself at a store or some other business, automatically you got a case. That's not how it works. In order to prove a premises liability case, you have to show that the store owner or the business owner had something called notice. And what it means is you got to show that they knew or should have known about the dangerous condition, something spilled that was on their floor. And there's usually two different types of notice. There's something called actual notice and constructive notice. Actual notice means, for example, one of the employees spills something themselves, or you have a situation where a customer spills something and goes up and tells an employee, hey, I spilled something over there, can you clean it up? If they don't, that still shows that they had actual notice because they actually knew about it. In most premises cases, however, you don't have actual notice. You have to have something and prove something called constructive notice. And what that means is you got to have evidence and prove and show that the defendant, the business owner, the store owner, whoever it is, should have known about the dangerous condition. And that's trickier to do. And one of the ways to do that is to, for example, say, you know what, your own policies of inspecting the floor every 15, 20, 30 minutes, whatever it is, are either deficient or they're not even being followed. So if you fall somewhere and hurt yourself and you got a premises liability case, chances are it's going to take some time to resolve. Chances are it's going to end up in litigation. These cases don't get resolved overnight. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of experience and knowledge. So make sure you find yourself a lawyer that knows what he's doing.